How to make and create company newsletter on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top, click on create a design right here and search for newsletter. Go down, click on company newsletter. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now choose a template from here, for example this one, and you can change and add the company logo here, the name, and change the text. Also you can change the pictures and colors. As you can see right here, everything can be changed very easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. After you finish editing your templates, click on share and download. If this video was helpful, as I said, don't forget to like.